This is an overview of the DKC04.3-200-7-FW manufactured by Bosch, Rexroth, Indramat. These are among the most well-known servo drives used for either general purpose automation or for machine tool applications. These drives are part of the EcoDrive 03 automation system, which enables users to fluidly and effectively control a wide variety of products because of extensive integral functionalities and a highly favorable price to performance ratio. The most common uses for these drives are in handling systems, printing and packing operations, food processing environments, and assembly lines. The specific drive I have here in front of me is a DKC04.3-200 drive. This is the 04.3 option card found here on the side, which has interbus interface capabilities. It is paired with an encoder. Encoders are approximately 2 inches long by 1.5 inches wide, and are usually silver or white in color, and are screwed in by a single screw found here. This drive that in front of me has a 200 amperage rating, a voltage category of 7, and a firmware rating designated by either your needs or that of a generic factory rating. It can be used with multiple encoders, like I said, which is found here. These can be silver or white in color, and they can be used for whatever application or setting you need to use the drive in itself. These drives can be powered on with 24 VDC, turning on the internal bus amperage for the fan, the internal boards, and option card components found here on the side. I can turn that on now to show you. If you would like more information concerning this DKC drive in front of me or any other DKC drive within the DKC drive series, please contact us via phone or email, which can be found below in the description. Thank you.